is my survival. Not it's not survivor. I made that mistake. Survival seed 2026 collab, and finally got some plants ready to go. Started out with zucchini. I got zucchini, cucumbers, and tomatillos.
Tomatillos.
Tomatillos. So, got my old standing plant here, and we're going to plant these in our main garden. And this is biodegradable mulch we put them in. We don't run drip tape. We either water by hand if we have to, if it gets real bad, or we just, we count on God to bless us a little bit. So, anyway, we're going to start out with some zucchini. And this is I think it's a Black Beauty. And there's some beautiful plants. We're supposed to get a real good rain tomorrow, and then 2 or 3 days of clouds and
Cooler weather.
So it's like we're gonna get something in the ground. Now, this one's kind of small, but I'm gonna go with it anyway.
I was gonna show it in there.
That's it. I'll get a big one and see it better.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and get these in the ground. It's a little easier with 2 people. One that's not filming. And then, look at that one, it's beautiful. So, I actually don't think I've fertilized these or anything yet. I plant these a little closer than probably I should, but I like them to connect in a canopy kind of a way. Just think they do a little better. All right, next is cucumbers. All right, next is cucumbers, and these are market more. And they smell like cucumbers. Can you smell them? If it's smell-o-vision, it'd be great, wouldn't it? So, I really don't like to start my cucumbers in the greenhouse, but I did on these. I'm pretty sure this is a slicer. Okay. All right,
Tomatillos.
Tomatillos are next. Next is tomatitos, and now normally I would kind of group these a little different, but I kind of don't keep them all the same so I don't get confused. I kind of give a report on. What I mean is I would put these probably with my eggplants or some tomatoes. I think they're in the same family, but I'm not 100% sure. Really don't even know what it is. I think it's green.
Yeah.
And I maybe make
Pesto.
pesto with it, or salsa verde.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called? That
I think
green
so.
salsa? Anyway. So I'll probably need to do some research. I'll probably need to stake these. If I stake any at all. Because I'm not even 100% sure I'm going to stake my field tomatoes this year. These things look beautiful.
Yeah, they do.
right, that's it. Tomatoes wasn't ready yet. Probably another week. And we'll plant those, the brandywine, and let me fix this while I'm thinking about it. There we go. The brandywine and the Romas. We'll plant those. I might plant those with my tomatoes. I don't know. We'll see when the time comes. All right, we got zucchini, cucumbers, tomatillos.
Tomatillos.
I'll come by a little bit later and I'll throw some water on them, and it's supposed to rain like I said tomorrow, so anyway, hopefully it's good. This is a standing plant, by the way. I've had this thing for, gosh, I don't even know.
Forever.
Forever. Haven't done anything to it. Kind of getting worn out. They make a new one, now one that's about 4 inches taller, so if this one ever wears out, which I don't know that it ever will, I'm gonna get that big one. All right, appreciate you watching Survival Seeds 2026. They have a live every Sunday night at 6:15 Eastern time, and talk about all this kind of stuff and the garden, and we're honored to be part of the collab. We're having a lot of fun with it so far. So anyway, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the garden in the next video.